Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor. Today we have the unboxing for the Simple Paper July kit, and I can already tell, look how pretty. It's so subtle, these colors already. Red, white, and blue. So here's our dashboard. We've got a nautical rope. We've got hydrangea. Not sure, let's see what that is. Cranberries maybe. Some red berries, some blueberries, rose. Very pretty. Very subtle. These colors are very subtle. We've got a little different days of the week here. Usually they're cursive. These are more, I don't know, nautical maybe is the theme we're going for. Very nice, navy blue. Here are our numbers for the days of the month and our dots. Look at, very nice, kind of a blueberry blue and a slate blue. And we have our calendar sheet, July, some anemones, red, white, and blue, but very subtle, these very subtle, and some delphiniums. I love delphiniums. I have some of them growing in my garden, some poppy right there. We've got our stickers, just various stickers, oysters, seashells, a whale. Here's some of our torn washi, boat, nautical. We've got a planner, traveler's notebook looks like, a sailboat, and ahoy, a letter. These are layered here, stickers. Here's our torn washi. We've got a lighthouse, hydrangeas on that torn washi. Here are our postage stamps. Stickers, of course, not real postage stamps. And you can see on this boat, it says, Wind's Grace, Nantucket. So, island, nautical, loving it. And we've got our Polaroids. And this says, the quote says, I am not afraid of storms, for I am learning how to sail my ship. Louisa May Alcott, who wrote Little Women. Here's our film strip. A door. The doors are swatches. And that door says, the Coastal Blush Cottage. Some more stickers here, a whale's tail, boat shoes, looks like a lobster roll and clam chowder. And we have blueberries, and that, look how pretty that flag sweater is. A little dog out on the beach, our beach bag, cherries. Espadrilles, this type of shoe. I like this bell right here on the side of the house. And a sailboat off in the distance. Here are our florals, corners and edges. Tell me what you think these berries are, if you know, down in the comments. I think these are blueberries, but I'm not quite sure what those are. Here are our cancellation stickers. And our bouquets. We've got a seashell in there. Another seashell. Delphinium and roses, and wondering if those are supposed to be white poppies. Or maybe they are anemones and hydrangeas. And then we have our large single blooms. All right, to recap, large single blooms, bouquets, cancellations, edge pieces, large, beautiful stickers, film strip, Polaroids, stamps, torn washi, some more torn washi and some layered stickers, more stickers, our numbers, our calendar page, our days of the week, and our dashboard. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time that you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.